guys, and welcome back to Repair and Resell. Today we're gonna look at this nice controller. This is a version 1 controller. This means that there's no light bar at the top of the touch bar. And also, if you have a color controller that is a V1, the back shell is always gonna be black. Um, it's actually the first time I got a color V1 controller in my hand. It's giving it a nice look, and I also like the texture of this one, which is different from the black one. I think I like it pretty much. Today we're gonna talk about the blinking red light issue and all the issue where you need to basically change the battery of a controller, and it's how I'm going to show you that. This one, on this controller, everything is working fine. I bought it for 10 bucks, but the battery in it need to be changed, and battery can be pretty expensive compared to other part to replace. So this is why I offer a bit less to the sellers. Also, this one doesn't have the blinking red light, but I had one recently that has it, and I thought it wasn't necessary to do a video on the subject, but I see that it could be helping a lot of people out there, so I decided to do one anyway. Maybe if it can be, maybe even if it's that simple to do. Oh, what is this? Okay, it's really dirty. Sorry. The screw is so dirty. You can see that the screwdriver wasn't doing a good job at unscrewing them. Basically, someone with dirt and play with this controller. It's nothing nothing to worry about for the moment, but I was still wondering what was happening with this. Okay, so what I was saying is that this is not a controller that is having the black light, the blinking red light issue, but the way I'm gonna fix it is the same way to fix the blinking red light, as I had a controller that recently had this problem, and I fixed it using this method. And basically all that it needed is to change the battery. Basically, I'm gonna explain you all what you can do to fix that once the controller is open. So once you open up the controller, the blinking red light could be caused by three different faults. It's either this charging port that need to be replaced. We already did a video on this one, so I will not show it in this video, but I will link it down in the description below. It's either this charging, this ribbon cable that is faulty. These are not really expensive to buy, and this part also is not so expensive, it is not that expensive to buy, so these are easily replaceable, and this might fix the blinking red light issue. And another thing that could cause this fault is basically the battery. This one I was taking a look at it off camera, and I realized something that I will show you in a few minutes. You can basically get the connector out a different way. You can try just use your hand and wiggle it around. You can use a pair of tweezer like I'm doing to do it, or a pair of pliers could also do the job. Basically what I do is that I just grab and I try to move it back and forth until it comes out. Just like this. And now we are ready to replace the battery. There is basically two types of battery for the Dualshock 4. There is a V1, the V1 that has a bigger connector, just like this one, and the V2 which the connector is a bit smaller. This one we can see that the battery is starting to be a bit like a round shape. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but as you can see it's a bit round, so this is a sign that the battery is starting to be due to be changed. I will show you a working one, and it's not you see it's perfectly flat. This one has a bit of a round shape to it. It can be a bit hard to see, but when you take a clear look at it, you can clearly see it, and I can also see it on the camera, so you should see it too. I will also put a photo of what this look like to help you in your search to buy another battery. I think I will actually leave a link in the description to help you for this. To put the new battery in, it's really simple. You just do the same thing as you do to put it out. You basically push it through, just the reverse of the thing you did to put it out. So now that the battery is installed, all you have to do is to reassemble your controller and enjoy your working controller. So this was really a simple fix, but I was pretty sure that some of you would need this information to know how to repair their controller. But now that this one is fixed, I hope that you enjoyed this video and have a nice day.